Hey y'all, it's Stacy. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today's lesson is about blanching vegetables. Now, that's an important step in many recipes, but I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Now, blanching has a couple different purposes. Primarily, the goal is to retain the color, flavor, and texture. Once we harvest vegetables off of the vines or the trees or the stems, they immediately start that oxidation and decomposition process. Blanching vegetables works to stop that, and that's important if you have a recipe that calls for you to use the vegetables later on, like if you're going to saute vegetables or something like that and they need to be par-cooked or blanched in advance. It's also a technique that we use if we're going to freeze vegetables because blanching par-cooks them and retains that color, flavor, and texture, but it also cleans them and sterilizes them to prepare them to go in the freezer. Now, I'm going to show you with green beans here today. You could do this with lots of different vegetables. What I've done here is I've got a pot of boiling water, and typically I like to salt this water, but it's certainly up to your particular recipe. I think adding salt adds some flavor, and it also helps to lock in those flavors and textures. We're just going to blanch these right in this boiling water for about 3 minutes, and that exact time is going to vary based on what vegetable that you're using. Once these are done, we're going to stop the cooking process by plunging them in an ice bath. This is going to lock in that vibrant green color, the texture, and the flavor. Once these are thoroughly chilled, strain them, and you're ready to move on with your recipe, or they're ready to go in the freezer.